Hey, I'm Jason, one of the subject matter experts here at iCar. We're in Appleton, Wisconsin, and I want to talk to you a little bit about using threadlocker today. Using threadlocker is one of those things that's specific to certain fasteners. You should be referencing service information to see if it calls for it. The trouble comes when if you use threadlocker on bolts that don't call for it and then you go to torque them, the threadlocker actually reduces friction on the fastener and causes the fastener to be way over torqued, compared to what you have your wrench set at, which then you run the risk of breaking fasteners or other problems. The same thing applies if you choose to put anti-seize on anything. That's one of the reasons why they say don't put anti-seize on your lug nut studs. Especially here in the Rust Belt, it's tempting to do it because we deal with so much rust and corrosion. The problem is that it really screws up the torque values applied to that fastener. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.